So I bought the DJI Avata 2 Fly More kit with 3 batteries. This is the first time I have ever flown an FPV drone. I've had a few drones. I am by far an expert. But let me tell you, this drone with the goggles 3 and the motion 3 is so easy to fly, it's unbelievable. This is literally my first flight. Check it out. The first thing I did was take it out of beginner's mode. First thing I did wrong was I was twisting my wrist left and right when you're supposed to lean your wrist left and right to turn. Then point up and down to go up and down, and point that circle where you want to go. Wow. Once you get the hang of doing that, it's a snap to fly this thing. You just point where you want to go and pull the trigger. Let's try this thing in sport mode now. Wow. These are all stock settings on the DJI Avata 2, except the video record, which I set to 4K 30 FPS. And the crosshairs and the goggles. Gotta put my antennas up. I'm not going to go over any settings in this video. There's plenty of videos that cover that. I'm just basically showing you my first impressions and first flight, which it's pretty amazing how easy it is to fly this thing. This is the back part of my property I'm surveying right now. Don't mind me, I'm still practicing. As you can see, it does record the goggles video on an SD card, as well as a drone, of course, with an SD card. Whoa, this drone is quick, fun, and easy to use. Kind of like you're playing a video game. Or maybe more like Evil Dead. Yeah, definitely 2 thumbs up on this drone on ease of flight. The easiest drone I've ever flown. If you're thinking about getting into FPV drones, this is the easiest way. DJI really nailed it with this motion controller. Wow, this thing is badass.
Hey, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. We'd love to hear what you have to say. Hit that bell if you want new notifications on new videos. Links for products used are in the description and on MotoCheez.com. Thanks for watching.